Under the first blush of morning sun, the tyrant's fangs and claws hold court over life and death. Across the golden sea of grass stretching to every horizon, prey thrashes in the grip of despair. Yet the slaughter on land is merely a prelude. In the fathomless depths of the ocean, the true nightmare stirs and awakens. Dawn breaks over the African savanna. The first rays of sunlight drip the parched earth in a fragile veil of gold, warming the dust that has lain cold through the long night. Nothing stirs, nothing speaks. The grassland holds its breath. Yet that silence is a lie, a deadly, calculated lie. Beneath the thorny acacia canopy, a lioness lies pressed against the warm earth, motionless. Her amber eyes are wide open, scanning the vast grassland with the deliberate patience of an apex predator who has learned that stillness kills more surely than speed. Every pair of eyes in the pride settles on the same point, a dark grey silhouette several hundred feet away, where a near-adult black rhinoceros stands alone, lowering its massive head to browse the low-hanging leaves. The young rhino weighs approximately 2,000 pounds, its hide nearly 2 inches thick, its front horn already rising close to 1 foot. It is large enough and armed enough to give any predator pause. It is making a fatal mistake, standing more than 100 feet from its mother, far beyond the protective reach of her horn and her fury. The lead lioness lowers her body into the grass until her belly touches the warm earth. Another splits to the flanks, circling upwind to avoid detection. The strategy has taken shape. The surface ripples. 2 yellow eyes emerge, less than 10 feet from shore. The lioness freezes. She drops her shoulders, snarling, but does not retreat. The crocodile lunges ashore, its armored body exploding from the water like a living torpedo. On land, they can reach short bursts of roughly 11 miles per hour. But on solid ground, the advantage shifts to the lions. The lioness sidesteps, claws raking across the crocodile's armored snout. 2 other lionesses charge in a combat formation, assembling in a heartbeat. The lionesses encircle, growling, driving the crocodile back toward the water. This is coordinated warfare, the same skill that brings down Cape buffalo 10 times their weight. The crocodile retreats, not out of fear, but calculation. On land, this is not its fight. The riverbank falls quiet again, but both sides know this boundary will be contested tomorrow and the day after, until the river runs dry.